Morning all, I am Anil Reddy, vocational trainee from Telangana State Model School, Lachappet. My principal name is P.S. Supriya. So, hoping you are very safe in this quarantine. And in order to utilize the time of the quarantine, we are coming with online videos, online classes. So, today I am going to explain the topic different types of irrigation techniques in India, and this topic is related to 10th class students, that is for level 2. So, let's get into the topic. So, different types of irrigation techniques in India are surface irrigation, furrow irrigation, border strip irrigation method, basin irrigation methods, well and tube well irrigation methods, and canal irrigations. So, let's discuss each irrigation methods in detail. So, first coming to the point of surface irrigation. So, surface irrigation is the most common type of irrigation practice which is seen in India. So, in this surface irrigation, the water is allowed to flow freely on the field, and here in order to adopt this type of irrigation technique, the land should be leveled in all four sides. And here the concept or the surface irrigation is mainly based upon the flow of gravity, so that if there is a steep slope, the water will be stagnant to the lower end, so that we cannot get equal distribution of water and equal distribution of water on all sides, so that surface irrigation is not much suitable. There will be a lot of wastage of water in case of surface irrigation, and the surface irrigation is mainly depends upon 4 points, that is called discharge capacity and water use, conveyance system, and infiltration rate of the soil. So these are the 4 important points on which the surface irrigation depends. And surface irrigation has many more advantages as well as disadvantages. And coming to the point of disadvantages, there are many points like soil erosion. Soil will be eroded, and there will be loss of water, and if the infiltration capacity is low, there will be high consumption of water. These are the disadvantages, some points of disadvantages. Coming to the advantages, there need not to be any kind of irrigation system, or there need not to be any kind of labor, and then these are the advantages of surface irrigation. Next, coming to the point of basin irrigation. Basin irrigation is which is the irrigation technique which is most commonly used in orchard crops like mangoes, guava. So here in basin irrigation, the irrigation shape, or what we can say that the basin irrigations are, there are 2 types, like there will be in round shape, or it can square, or different in a irregular shape. Here the water is undirected, that means the water is not to be directed in a particular direction, the water is undirected into the channel, and these borders, the what we can say in basin irrigation, the furrows are made along the tree with a radius of 2 to 3 meters, and a huge circle is made with, around the trees. So this is the basin irrigation. So basin irrigation is mostly practiced in orchard crops. Next is the border strip irrigation. Border strip irrigation, in this method or in this irrigation concept, the strips are made with a width of 10 to 15 meters, and the length should be varied from 90 to 400 meters. And in the border strip method, the water is allowed to enter into the strips from the main field channel, and the water will be flowed from the main field channel into the strips, and the water flows from higher area to lower area. And here, if the land is not level, the water will be stagnant to the lower area, so that there will be a huge loss of water stagnation, huge loss to the root crop, because the roots get suffocated due to the high accumulation of water. So that we have to see that the slope should not be more steep, so it should have a uniform steep slope. So, and here one more thing is that the numericals are very important in the border strip methods, like the width should be 10 to 15 meters, and the length should be 90 to 400 meters. So in this concept, we have discussed 3 types of irrigation techniques, and hope you all have understood the concept very well, and the remaining techniques will be explained in the next class. And coming to the point of question is, we may expect the questions like this: explain the different types of irrigation techniques in India, or else explain individual techniques of border strip method or surface irrigation methods, or we can expect the questions like write the advantages and disadvantages of surface irrigation, or the differences between what we can say border strip method, basin irrigation, or for surface irrigation. So we can expect these types of questions. So hope you guys have understood the concept very well, and thank you very much.